Villiers makes flying private easier and more affordable than ever. Forget about long delays, queues and security check-ins and enjoy luxury private flights today. With private jets, the journey is smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Villiers takes the hassle out of booking private jets for international and domestic flights. Customers can browse from over 9,000 private jets across 40,000 locations around the world. Check out their new service today and find great deals on chartered flights. Contact us at https://privatejetcharterhire.com/